This is how you're going to add domain in Cloudflare. First, you're going to create or log in to your Cloudflare account, and then you're going to click on add at the top right corner. You're going to select either connect a domain or register a domain. So for me, I already have an existing one from Hostinger, so I'm just going to click on connect a domain. After that, we're going to enter our domain name, for example, yourdomain.com, and then we're going to have to click on continue. So for this one, it's going to look like this blank field. You're going to click or type in your domain. You're going to select what you want to do with your DNS records, if you want Cloudflare to scan it, or if you want to manually add it, or maybe upload a DNS zone file. Now once you have chosen, you're going to just click on continue, and then we're going to have to select a plan. So for this one, I'm just going to select this free plan right here, and then after that, we're going to check all of the DNS records if it matches the original copy. So all of the C names or the AAA records are going to appear right here. So we're just going to have to make sure that all of them are correct. So we're just going to wait for this page to load, and then take note that you will have to need to log in to your Hostinger account. So just make sure that you're logged in or sign up, not just Hostinger actually, but the original provider that you have, where you originally purchased your domain from. So again, you're going to have to check all of your DNS records right here and make sure that all of them matches and there are no issues. And then you're just going to click on continue activation right here. Now you're just going to follow all of the prompts right here to activate Cloudflare. So you're going to find your registrar on icon lookup, but if you already know where you purchased your domain, then you don't have to do this. You're just going to have to log into your original domain provider, and then you're just going to have to make sure that your DNSSEC is off. So for me, I have it off. I don't have anything right here. And then after that, you're just going to replace your current name servers with Cloudflare name servers. So you'll be able to see that right here. So if you don't know where to locate that, you're just going to head over to domains, and then you'll be taken to this page, which is the domain overview. You'll be able to see this DNS/name servers right here at the right side of your screen, and then you're just going to have to click on edit. After that, you're just going to click on change name servers. We're going to toggle this change name servers instead of who's hosting your name servers, and then from there, we're just going to delete all of these, and then we're going to copy the name servers from Cloudflare. I'm going to click on copy right here, and then another one at the bottom of the page. Going to click on copy once again, and then paste it. Now I'm going to hit on save, and then you'll be able to see that all of these are changed, but you will have to wait for 24 hours for the domain to propagate to the new name servers, and then you're also going to have to wait for 24 hours before it gets transferred. So after that, you're just going to hit on continue, and your domain will be transferred from your original domain provider to Cloudflare. And that's it. That is how you're going to add domain in Cloudflare. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.